So here I have my brush and mixing bowl. I purchased it off Amazon. You can get yours from your local beauty supply store. I'm using Clairol 30 volume developer and BW2 bleach. So I didn't even use half of the bag, the pouch or whatever you want to call it. I didn't even use half, just like a quarter maybe. And here I poured way too much bleach. Developer. Like, it's really liquidy, and that's what you don't want, because you don't want the bleach to leak through the closure. So yeah, I'm just gonna go and add some more bleach. So you feel like it's too watery, just add more bleach, and if you feel like it's too thick, add more developer. But add a developer slowly. I learned the hard way, and it took me a minute to get exactly how I wanted it. As you can see, it's not dripping off, so yes, that's perfect. So here's the closure. I purchased it from Beauty Forever, and I think it's pretty nice. It's just not full, but I feel like if it was more full, I would have to do a lot of plugging, and I really didn't have to do any plugging. So yeah, I think it's pretty cool. Now we're just gonna apply the bleach. You're not gonna apply a lot of pressure, just really swipe lightly, very lightly. And as you can see, I didn't start in the center, like where the part is. I didn't want the bleaching process to start until I was like almost done, so I did that part last. And we're just gonna wrap this up in some aluminum foil. And as you can see, the bleach didn't go through. So yeah, you don't want it to go through and start bleaching the hair. Then you're gonna have your hair is gonna be blonde in the roots. So I'm just gonna use some aluminum foil. I'm gonna let this sit for 10 minutes. So now I'm taking the foil off. When I take it off, you're gonna see that some of the bleach got onto the foil, but it's okay. The closure still bleached. There was no patches, so. And I'm gonna rinse this off in a downward position because I don't want the bleach to get onto the hair. So we're just gonna rinse it off just like that. And already the closure was looking really good. Like, I like the color of it, but I'm gonna go in with Shimmer Lights Purple shampoo. You can use any purple shampoo. I just use Shimmer Lights because that's what I'm familiar with. But the purple shampoo just get rid of the brassiness of the closure that the bleach leaves. So yeah, I think I washed this once first, and then the second go around I just let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. So as you can see, that brassiness went away. Like, it really works. And that's after letting it sit for about 10 or 15 minutes, I believe. So we're just going to rinse that off, and then I'm just going to go in and wash the hair with some regular shampoo and conditioner. You can use any of your choice. And look, you see, you don't really see the knots. The knots are bleached very nicely. I think I did good for my first time. So yeah, and I think this is a shampoo. I think I washed the hair twice just to make sure there was nothing left behind. And I think I let the conditioner sit for just a few minutes. And again, I purchased this closure from Beauty Forever, and I didn't have to do any plucking. My friend jumped in the camera. Like, I had like 5 people in my room. And this is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video.